Welcome to Real, the first permissionless Layer 2 for tokenized real-world assets. Today I'm going to give you the quick and dirty run-through of Tangible, the tokenization protocol that brings valuable real-world assets on-chain. Tangible's TNFTs, tangible non-fungible tokens, are used as a base building block in bridging tokenized real-world assets into DeFi. Real-world assets are minted into TNFTs, which can then be used as backing in a variety of other assets. But before we start, terms and conditions. Please ensure you're within the correct jurisdictions when transacting with Real. This video and its contents is not intended for US persons or any other jurisdictions in which decentralized exchanges or crypto assets are prohibited, restricted, and/or require licensing. This video and its content is for educational purposes only and is not intended to be an offer or solicitation. This is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Make sure you have read and understood all relevant information, including the terms of use and risks on our website before participating. Overview. Tangible is a tokenization protocol that brings valuable real-world assets like gold and real estate on-chain. Tangible identified two problems in today's market. The first problem was that participants were looking to store their wealth in alternative asset classes, such as wine, art, and antiques, in order to hedge against inflation and unstable political and economic conditions. Most of these asset classes are illiquid, fragmented, and inefficient. The second problem was that cryptocurrency had risen as an alternative store of value, but it's cyclical and volatile. In addition, crypto users lack on-chain access to emerging tangible asset classes. Tangible bridges these two by providing a liquid on-chain market for off-chain assets, allowing crypto participants to buy, sell, and trade real-world assets. It makes complicated flows safer and easier and removes the fragmented and inefficient processes that exist today when owning these assets. How does Tangible do this? Tangible custody and KYC participants can mint TNFTs and other real-world asset-backed assets on Tangible's platform using cryptocurrencies including USTB, which is Tangible's stablecoin backed by tokenized US Treasury bills. Freely transfer these assets, sell the assets on a decentralized exchange or in Tangible's marketplace, or farm the assets to earn yield. The TNFT is a liquid, tradable, and redeemable asset represented by an on-chain NFT. At any time, KYC owners of TNFTs can also redeem the underlying physical asset, from gold bars to whole properties. Real estate. Let's start by explaining the tokenization process with real estate. Tangible's platform has tokenized over $40 million worth of property that can be bought, traded, borrowed against, and sold with crypto. To give an overview of the real estate tokenization process, step 1 is that tokenized properties sit within an individual SPV, which is a special purpose vehicle, which holds the rights to the title and other agreements in place to facilitate management of the property. Step 2 is the TNFT, which is bought with crypto, and what represents the ownership is minted, granting the holder beneficial ownership over the SPV, including the rights to rental income and the ability to sell the TNFT or redeem the underlying real estate asset at any time. Step 3 is that fiat funds to complete the real estate purchase are moved off-chain to finalize the real-world transaction. Step 4, the TNFT is purchased in the marketplace and sent to the user's wallet for safekeeping, trading, or selling. Step 5, the user collects rental yield on the Tangible site or mints the TNFT into basket tokens for additional use cases. Tangible Marketplace. To buy a tokenized real-world asset from Tangible, follow these steps. Firstly, visit the Tangible Marketplace, connect a wallet and ensure RETH is available, browse the range of tokenized assets to purchase with crypto, although note, at present, all tokenized real estate has been purchased from the marketplace. Baskets. Tangible baskets were created to bring the full range of DeFi composability, better functionality, and deeper liquidity to tokenized real-world assets, specifically real estate. Tangible's baskets are permissionless, rebasing ERC20 tokens that are 100% backed by tokenized, yield-generating real estate that distributes yield back to holders via a daily rebase. Think of baskets as a vault of similar types of properties. Basket tokens are minted on the Tangible site by depositing the TNFT into the vault, receiving an equivalent value of basket tokens back in return. Instead of holding one tokenized property, a user now holds a share of all the properties in the vault, helping to distribute risk while collecting a share of rent from all the underlying assets. Basket tokens, like UKRE, are easily traded on decentralized exchanges like any other ERC20 token. The price of Tangible's baskets is soft pegged to the true property value of all the assets in the pool and will fluctuate based on the market demand and the activity of arbitrages. Baskets are a unique product as they allow anyone, anywhere, at any budget to invest in income-producing real estate with just a few clicks. To purchase baskets, follow these steps. Firstly, visit the Pearl Decentralized Exchange, then ensure availability of RETH or any accepted crypto. Finally, swap crypto for a basket token like UKRE, and the token will rebase in the wallet and rental yield is paid. USTB. Tangible also issues USTB, a fully permissionless, cross-chain, rebasing dollar-pegged stablecoin. USTB is a wrapped version of USDM, with USDM supplying 100% of the backing for USTB. USDM is backed by Mountain Protocol's reserve of short-duration US Treasuries, T-bills, having an average duration of less than 3 months. US Treasuries are considered one of the safest yield-producing USD-dominated investment options. T-bills guarantee a risk-free yield backed by the full faith and credit of the US government. USTB is an ERC20 rebasing token with a redemption value pegged at 1-to-1 to USDM, which in turn has a redemption value pegged at 1-to-1 to dollar assets. Like other fiat-backed stablecoins, USTB is expected to trade around $1 in the secondary market, a function of buy-sell volume, liquidity depth, and arbitrage opportunities. To purchase USTB, there are 2 options, to either mint or buy direct. To mint USTB, firstly visit Tangible's website and click on USTB. Click Get USTB, and note that USDM is needed to successfully mint USTB. USTB is minted on Ethereum mainnet and then bridged to supported chains including Real. To buy USTB, visit the Pearl decentralized exchange. Click on Trade, swap REETH for USTB, and hold the rebasing token in the wallet to enjoy its returns. To wrap this up, Tangible is among the very few protocols that have not only tokenized real-world assets, but brought them on-chain in a meaningful way. For more details, check out the documentation to specifically understand the risks of each product.